ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयम् नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। Third chapter, Karma Yoga, we have been studying. Now, yesterday only we celebrated Devashayani Ashadhi Ekadashi. This is the biggest festival you can say in Varkari tradition, where people from Alandi, which is located in Pune, from there to Pandharpur, which is located in Solapur district, almost 261 kilometers, lakhs of lakhs people walk all the way from Alandi to Pandharpur just to see or seek the blessings of Bhagwan Panduranga Paramatma. And yesterday was that biggest Ekadashi where all Varkari Sampradaya, entire Varkari tradition, lakhs of people, they gathered together and celebrated, in fact, sought blessing from Bhagwan. On this auspicious occasion, we are going to see some part of this third chapter, which is coming in flow only, very relevant. All our Santa Mahatmas, or in fact Varkari Sampradaya, they are not, karmis. Like they don't follow action karma yoga. They are Advaita philosophers. Sant Tukaram Maharaj, Jnaneshwar Maharaj, Eknath Maharaj, Namdev Maharaj, as many Sant Mahatmas are there in Varkari tradition, all of them, they are Advaitins. They are not, karma yogis. Jnana Margi, all people are. They all follow path of knowledge. So, just for all of us, those great Mahatmas, they did the normal things which ordinary man can do. Walking from Alandi to Pandharpur, any ordinary person can do. Nowadays, that is also difficult. It is another part. But they took the pataka, the flag of dharma in their hand. Talam on their neck. And they started walking for us. They sang bhajans. They sang different abhangas for us. And they showed a path of knowledge through karma. Varkari Sampradaya is pure Advaitins. And it is said that, beautiful line by Madhusudan Saraswati ji, our Acharya, Bhaktyartham Kalpitam Dvaitam Advaitat Api Sundaram. So, Bhaktyartham, for the sake of devotion, Bhaktyartham Kalpitam Dvaitam. Kalpita Dvaita means it is just imaginary duality. Actually, there is no duality. There is a notion of duality in order to enjoy bhakti. And this Kalpitam Dvaitam, imaginary duality, is far superior than Advaita Vedanta. Bhaktyartham kalpitam dvaitam advaitat api sundaram. The same context with the coincidence we are going to see today. Bhagavan says, even though you may be jnani, a realized person, but to guide people, you must do actions. That's what our Santa Mahatma did. Bhajan, Kirtan, Pravachan, Kakada, Haripat, all these things where ordinary man can do. But the purpose is to reach liberation, salvation through actions in the beginning. Then you end up in Shravana Manan Nididhyasan, and then you get the highest goal of our life. So keeping that in mind, prostrating all the Santa Mahatmas. This year I couldn't go because of some job things. So past 3 years I couldn't go. I pray to Lord Vithala, Santa Jnaneshwar Maharaj, Santa Tukaram Maharaj that next year I must come there walking throughout to 61 kilometers, enjoying Advaita by singing bhajans, dancing, singing Haripata, and attaining all the congregations. With that, we start our next sloka, which says that, which is very, very relevant to this Pandharpur Yatra Wari. So here, let's go. Na Bhagwan says, realized people, Santa Mahatma, should not, you know, create confusion in the minds of ignorant people or ordinary people. न बुद्धिभेदं जनयेत् अज्ञानां कर्म संगिनां जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन् न बुद्धिभेदं जनयेत् अज्ञानां कर्म संगिनां जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन् न बुद्धि भेदम जनयेत् अज्ञानां कर्म संगिनां जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन्. We'll see Anvaya. It's easy shloka, but very, very important. Suddenly you don't start Vedanta to normal people. Let them first come through the, you know, through karma, and then if they are ready, then we can give them knowledge. Nowadays, what happens in the world? 5 minutes, you can have sakshatkara, liberation. 5 minutes, atma sakshatkara. So hold on, don't start some new cult. Whatever traditionally has been going on, follow that with whole heart. Vidwan कर्म संगिनाम अज्ञानानाम बुद्धि भेदम न जनयेत किंतु युक्तः समाचरन सर्व कर्माणि जोषयेत. Simple is विद्वान, a realized person. बुद्धि भेदम न जनयेत, should not unsettle the mind of ignorant people. Ajnanam buddhi vedam. Buddhi vedam means a person who is going to temple. You go and tell them, what is the use of going to temple? Shastra said you do shravanam of Shastra. So don't do that. If someone is going to Wari and you go to his house and you tell him, what are you doing? You come to satsang, we will give you divine knowledge. Don't do that. Let him do Wari. Let him cleanse his mind first. Then let him come to Shravana Manandidhyasan. Then all things will be properly. Vidwan, karma sanginam, those who are attached to action. They love action. They cannot give actions. Ajnanam. So Bhagavan says those people are ignorant, those who are attached to their actions. So such people's buddhi bhedam na janet. We should not confuse them. We should not create doubt in their mind. Then what should you do? Kintu, but we should yuktah samacharan sarva karmani joshet. Yuktah, we should become karma yogi, spirit of yoga. Samacharan, and we must follow all the things, starting from doing puja up to doing prayers. Sarva karmani joshayet. You go to temple, you do puja, you offer water to tulsi, you go to wari, all these things you do. You are a realized person. Still do it. Bhagavan says, don't confuse normal people. Gyaneshwar Maharaj, what a lucid commentary. जे सायासे स्तन्य सेवी ते पक्वाने केवी जेवी मनोनी बाळका जैशी नेदावी धनुर्धरा जे सायासे स्तन्य सेवी ते पक्वाने केवी जेवी मनोनी बाळका जैशी नेदावी धनुर्धरा. Dhaneshwar Maharaj gives beautiful example. He says there is a small boy, very small, like 2 3 months, and he is not able to suck the milk out of breast, and he has to put forth lot of efforts in order to drink that milk. How to such a newborn baby, that's 2 3 months old, you give him nice gulab jamun, nice chapati, roti, paneer, will he be able to digest that? No. Like that, someone who is not pro in karma yoga, and you tell him, come to classes, listen Vedanta, give up everything, Vivek, Vairagya, Shama, Dama, Niyama, Uparama, Titiksha, everything you do. Will it happen properly? No. J means a baby. Saya se stanya sevi. Saya se with full efforts. Stanya sevi. He sucks the milk. Te pakwanne kevi jevi. How that boy is going to or baby is going to have or digest proper food. Mhanoni balaka jaisi nedavi dhanurdhara. Like that, we should not give proper food to a baby. So now Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, तैषी तैषी कर्म तैषी कर्मी जया अयोग्यता तया प्रति नैष्कर्म्यता न प्रगटावी खेळता आदि करुणी तैषी कर्मी जया अयोग्यता तया प्रति नैष्कर्म्यता न प्रगटावी खेळता आदि करुणी तैसी. Just like baby cannot be feed with good food because he is struggling to get milk. Like that, Chaitaishi, like that, Karmi Jaya Ayogyata, who is not proficient, efficient to do actions properly. Taya Prati Naishkarmyata, Taya Prati, towards him, Naishkarmyata, this path of, renunciation, path of knowledge, Na Pragatavi. We should not tell him, we should not admonish him with this Viveka Vairagya Shamadama Adi Shatakam. Khelata Adi Karoni. By mistake also, we should not tell this path of renunciation, knowledge, Viveka Vairagya to such person who is not, capable of doing karma yoga. He is fully into karma only, not even karma yoga. Then what we should do? तेथ सत्क्रियाची लावावी तेची एकी प्रशंसावी नैष्कर्मी ही दावावी आचरोनी तेथ सत्क्रियाची लावावी तेची एकी प्रशंसावी नैष्कर्मी ही दावावी आचरोनी तेथ. To such person who is unfit to do karma, Satkriya Chilavavi. We should tell him to do more actions with less detachment and for the benefit of society. We should engage them in such actions like tree plantation, engage people, like distributing food to needy people, engage them like that. Or there are different forts of Shivaji Maharaj. You go there and clean them up, organize everything properly. Whatever has dilapidated, try to build it back. Do some actions. Engage them in Karma Yoga where they work for the benefit of society. Te chi eki prashansavi, and you should praise that action which they are doing for society. For example, someone is distributing blankets. So you praise that this giving blankets is very, very important. Now winter is coming. So in the winter season, we have nice cozy, cozy blankets, comforts, and people suffer out of that. So you have done a great job. That is the most important need of the hour we should do. You praise that person. Naish, and those people are realized. Naishkarmihi davavi acharoni. And even though you may be realized, you have to show, you have to become a exemplary for all other people. This is how Jnaneshwar Maharaj is. Jnaneshwar Maharaj also, he was mukta, but he got whatever certificates were required to prove that he is not the child of sannyasi. Whatever those brahmanas they said to him, he followed that. Or along with Namdev Maharaj, he went on pilgrimage, though both were jnani. So pilgrimage is very, very important. Never criticize. Tirthi Dhonda Pani, shut up. Never say such things. Tirthi Dhonda Pani and you will watch TV in your house. They are at least going there. Okay, so aside point. So we should engage them. We should praise whatever they are doing. And even realized person also should do lot of projects. Why? Because when a jnani persons, when the jnani person does something for the society out of guiding for the society, then he won't be bound by those actions. For example, Chinmayananda is there or Sadhguru Jog Maharaj is there. He built a nice samstha. So to build a samstha, we need money, like food. The whoever teachers are there, they can stay properly. Their stay, food, shelter, everything should be taken care. Water, electricity. For that need money. And even though you may be sannyasi, money doesn't come just like that. You have to do something. And when you do something, you are doing actions. You will be caught up sooner or later. Bhagavan says, no. Taya loka sangraha lagi वर्तता कर्म संगी तो कर्म बंधु अंगी वाजेलना तया लोक प्रसंगा लागी वर्तता कर्म संगी तो कर्म बंधु अंगी वाजेलना तया लोक संग्रहा लागी. In order to guide people, in order to show path to people, vartata karma sangi, if some realized person, enlightened soul, vartata is doing karma, to karma bandhu angi vajelana, and karma bandha, the bondage of action, will not disturb him. Example is given. What a beautiful example. जैसी बहुरूपियाची रात्रो राणी. रावो राणी. Here Ravo is there. जैसी बहुरूपियांची रावो राणी. स्त्री पुरुष भावो नाही मणी. परिलोक संपादनी तैसीच करीती. जैसे बहुरूपियांची रावो राणी. स्त्री पुरुष भावो नाही मणी. परिलोक संपादनी तैसेची करीती. So Bahurupi, a person who can take different roles as per requirement in the drama. So Bahurupi means a person who can take different roles. Like sometime he can become police, sometime he can become thief, sometime he can become king, sometimes he can become queen also. I am saying he can become queen also. Bahurupiyanchi Ravo Rani. So when he is a king, That Bahurupi, a person who is changing the roles, he doesn't think I am a king. When he is a queen, he doesn't think I am a queen. Stri Purusha Bhavo Nahi Mani. There is no such discrimination that, or there is no such thought that I am man, I am king, or I am queen now. Pariloka Sampadani Taishi Chakariti. But in order to entertain people, in order to engage people, he will go on stage and play the role of king, where he is standing nicely, chin up, looking here and there, ordering people. And when queen is there, so he will walking very different way as the ladies walk, and he will sit near the king, look towards king, and like that, he will do justice to that role. Despite of being a person, he will do the role of queen nicely. Why? Loka Sampadani, just like that, a jnani person also, whether he is a man, whatever role he plays, he knows I am Satchidananda Brahma. I am doing it for the sake of people. Prakrute kriyamani gunaih karmani sarvashah अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते प्रकृते क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते. Beautiful. Why he is not, bothered by those actions, though he is a jnani doing actions? Why? Because here two shlokas are there. In this shloka, the Ajnani's plight is explained, Ajnani's thinking is explained. In next shloka, Jnani's thinking is explained. So both I will explain now. Jnani person thinks that I am not doing anything. Mind, with the help of body, doing everything. I am not doing anything. Whereas Ajnani thinks, see now, I am doing everything. Though body is doing, he will say, I am doing. Where I am not doing anything. Eyes are seeing. He will say, I am seeing. You are not seeing. Eyes are seeing. So, prakrutehe, okay, here. Prakrutehe kriyamānāni gunaihi karmāni sarvashah ahankara vimūಢātma karta aham iti manyate. Let us catch the crux and move on. Prakrutehe gunaihi karmani sarvashah kriyamānāni santi. Here Prakruti means three gunas. Sattva, Rajatama. Their Samyavastha is called Prakruti. So this Prakrutehe gunaihi, by the Sattva Rajatama guna of Prakruti, Sarvashah karmani, all the actions. Sarvashah kriyamanani, all the actions are being done by these qualities, three qualities of primordial matter, Prakruti. But Ahankara Vimudhatma, who is very much attached to the individuality. Aham Karta iti manyate. I am the doer. Like that, he says. So, Naneshwar Maharaj says, if you take, if some person is carrying weight on his head, very heavy, and you go and you say, you give it to me, and you carry that weight. Now, who is going to bear the pain, or who is going to feel the pain? A person who is carrying the weight. Some other person was carrying it. You were very eager to go and ask him, you give me. And you started now tolerating it. So like that, Prakriti is doing something, you are not doing anything. But you take whatever your body, mind, intellect is doing and you say, I am doing, and you are dejected. One example will solve our all problems if we understand it. Once again, I will tell it's very important. Person is walking with the weight. You went and told him, you please give me your weight. You walk freely. And now you started suffering. The same way, this body, mind, intellect is doing everything. You went near to body, mind, and intellect and you said, I am thinking. I am taking decision. I am doing everything. Then you are caught up by their problems, body, mind, intellect's problem. Now you are depressed. Now you are confused. Now you are tired. These things will happen. So, देखे पुडिलांचे ओझे जरी आपुला माथा घेजे तरी सांगे कान दाटीजे धनुर्धरा. देखे पुढिलाचे ओझे जरी आपुला माथा घेजे तरी सांगे कान दाटीजे धनुर्धरा. देखे पुढिलांचे ओझे, पर्सन हु इज स्टँडिंग, जरी आपुला माथा घेजे, इफ यू टेक दॅट ऑन युअर हेड, तरी सांगे कान दाटीजे धनुर्धरा. देन वाय वी वोंट बी सफरिंग. O Dhanurdhara, O builder of bow and arrow, you please tell me, if you are asking weight from other person, definitely you are going to carry it and bear it and feel the pain. Like that. Taisi, taisi shubha shubhe karme, जिये निफजती प्रकृती धर्मे, तिये मूर्ख मती भ्रमे मी करता म्हणे. तैसी शुभाशुभे कर्मे, जे निफजती प्रकृती धर्मे, तिये मूर्ख मती भ्रमे मी करता म्हणे. तैसे, just like we take weight from other person, here karma it should be. तैसे शुभाशुभ कर्मे, like that, good and bad actions, good and bad thought, good and bad decisions, all are the play of primordial matter. तैसे शुभाशुभे कर्मे प्रकृति धर्मे निफजति, all are because of prakriti, sattva raja tamo guna. ते मूर्ख मती भ्रमे मी करता म्हणे. मूर्ख, foolish person. Mati Brahme, because of confusion in mind, because of no clarity about Atma and Ahankara, Mi Karata Mane, he says, I am the doer. But who is doing? Prakriti Dharme Nifazati. So he is doing that. That is why he is foolish. And rich people, rich in the sense, those who are highly cultured people, Murkha Shabda is their biggest, insult. Like that, Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Murkha, that's all, over. ऐसा अहंकाराधीरूढ एक देशी मूढ तया हा परमार्थ गूढ प्रगटावाना. ऐसा अहंकाराधीरूढ एक देशी मूढ तया हा परमार्थ गूढ प्रगटावाना. ऐसा, like that, a person ahankaradhiruda, who is completely swallowed by ahankar. He doesn't think himself other than individual, very very attached. Ekadeshi moodha, and he thinks I am in one place, I am this body and I am the doer of everything. So like that he thinks. Dhaneshwar Maharaj say, to such people, don't tell spirituality. How strict Dhaneshwar Maharaj should be. We say, कैवल्याचा पुतळा प्रगटला भूतळा. Like that we praise Dhaneshwar Maharaj. And now you see how strict he is. If someone is having strong ego, if someone is considering himself as a body, ha paramartha gudha, the secret of spirituality should not be revealed to such fellow. Even though you revealed, nothing will happen. Hey aso prastuta. Now he says, enough, I won't talk much. Hey us, because there is a lot of compassion in heart. So he don't want to hurt us. Hey aso prastuta. सांगिजेल तुझ हित ते अर्जुना देऊनि चित्त अवधारी पा. हे असो प्रस्तुत सांगिजेल तुझ हित ते अर्जुना देऊनी चित्त अवधारी पा. हे असो. नाव इनफ ऑफ दिस. आत सांगिजेल तुझ हित. आय विल टेल यू समथिंग व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पर्टिनंट टू यू. देन व्हॉट यू शुड डू? अर्जुना, ओ अर्जुना, चित्त देऊनी अवधारी पा. चित्त देऊन तू ऐक. आता जे सांगतोय मी तुला. काय सांगताय भगवान? सांगतो, ऐक. अटेंटिव्हली यू हॅव टू लिसन. तत्त्ववित्तु महाबाहो गुणकर्म विभागयोः गुणा गुणेषु वर्तन्त इति मत्वा न सज्जते. तत्त्ववित्तु महाबाहो गुणकर्म विभागयोः गुणा गुणेषु वर्तन्ते इति मत्वा न सज्जते. Tattvavid. Now, Bhagwan talked about ignorant fellow who is thinking that I am doing everything. Now, enlightened person. Tattvavid tu mahabaho gunakarma vibhagayoho gunaha guneshu vartante iti matva na sajjate. Little bit fast I went because that's how I am. He mahabaho, O powerful Arjuna. गुणकर्म विभागयोः गुणाः गुणेषु वर्तन्ते. गुणाः sense organs, guneshu sense objects, vartante. The sense organs are engaging, engrossing, indulging in sense objects. Why? Guna karma vibhagayoho, because of guna and karma. Tattvavit, a knowledgeable, a scholar person, iti matva na sajjate. Having understood this, you know, uh, having understood this, na sajjate. He is not attached. He is not carried away. He is not taken on ride by body, mind, intellect, sense organs, sense objects. Why? Gunaha guneshu vartante. Prakriti is playing everything within the Prakriti. जे तत्वज्ञानियांच्या ठाई तो प्रकृती भाव नाही. जेथ कर्मजात पाही निपजतसे. जे तत्वज्ञानियांच्या ठाई तो प्रकृती भावो नाही. जेथ कर्मजात पाही निपजतसे. जे तत्वज्ञानियांच्या ठाई. So, in the heart of all the enlightened one, prakriti bhava nahi. They don't have, confusion about the real identity, fake identity, and matter. Prakriti bhavo nahi. Jetha karmazat pahi nipajatase. And because of this prakriti, karmazat nipajatase. Prakriti, these gunas are doing all the actions. In me, there is no prakriti. जे ते देहाभिमान सांडुनी गुणकर्मे ओलांडुनी साक्षीभूत होनी वर्तती देही. ब्युटिफुल, ब्युटिफुल. ते देहाभिमानू सांडुनी गुणकर्मे ओलांडुनी साक्षीभूत होनी वर्तती देही. देहाभिमान सांडुनी. They don't think I am this body. I am not this body. Deha abhimana sandoni guna karma. Guna karme olanduni. They have crossed this guna and karma. Sattva raja tama guna, all they have crossed. Means they have understood. Sattva guna's karya is this. Satama guna karya is this. So that olanduni, they have understood them thoroughly. And how they be in this body? साक्षीभूत होनी वर्तती देही. साक्षीभूत होनी means they are just sakshi spectators. Sakshi who is not involved in anything, just stands away from everything. Just like there is a, Naneshwar Maharaj is going to give example. We will see that Sakshi Bhuta means he is witnessing everything. He is not involved in anything. Witnessing only. He is a spectator. Who? Atma Swarupa, Jnani Mahatma. Yes, here is the example. मनोनी शरीरी जरी होती तरी कर्मबंधा ना कळती जैसा का भूत चेष्टा गभस्ती घे पवेना मनोनी शरीरी जरी होती तरी कर्मबंधा ना कळती जैसा का भूत चेष्टा गभस्ती घे पवेना म्हणोनी therefore शरीरी जरी होती though they are having, possessing this body, though they are in this body, tari karma bandha na kalati. Though they are in this body, still they are not, bound by the actions of this body. How? Jaisa ka bhuta cheshta gabhasti ghepavena. Gabhasti, sun. Because of sun, entire world is awake and doing their daily daily chores, daily things they are doing. And sun is unaffected by who is doing what. If someone is stealing, sun is unaffected. Someone is helping society, sun is unaffected. Like that, a person becomes sakshi bhuta. Because of sun, everything goes on. Like that, because of Atma Swarupa, mind, intellect, all body, sense organs, everything functions. But Atma is separate from that. That's how the wisdom is. Then he says we should not be shaken by these ignorant people. You know what happens? I will tell you. Ignorant people are plenty. Jnani people are few. So sometimes few people, if they see many are doing what we don't do, then they start doubting about themselves. For example, I was, engineer, and I left everything and I started pursuing this path. And I sometimes I would think that what's wrong with me? No one of my friend they are into this path. No one goes to temple. No one thinks about Gita. I am memorizing entire Gita. I am knowing Naneshwari. Why am I doing that? So though I am knower of what it is and everything, but many people are not doing, so I started doubting myself. So here it says, so we should not be shaken away by this mood people, though they may be more in count. प्रकृतेर्गुण सम्मूढ़ाः सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तान कृत्स्नविदो मंदान् कृत्स्नविन्न विचालयेत् प्रकृतेर्गुणसम्मूढाः सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तान् कृत्स्नविदो मंदान् कृत्स्नविन्न विचालयेत् प्रकृतेः गुणसम्मूढाः सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तान् अकृत्स्नविदः मंदान् कृत्स्नवित् न विचालयेत्. So we should not be shaken by them. We should not shake them. Like that, Naneshwar Maharaj says, Bhagavan says, Prakrutehe guna sammudaha. Prakrutehe guna sammudaha. Sammudaha, people who are deluded by what? Guna, qualities. Whose qualities? Prakrutehe. Prakrutehe gunaha. Prakrute gunaha. Prakrute gunaihi taihi सम्मूढ़ाः प्रकृते गुण सम्मू प्रकृते प्रकृत प्रकृति गुण सम्मूढ़ाः समास. I just tried, I don't know much about it. Means deluded qualities by qualities of prakriti, matter, sattva rajatama, guna karma su sajjante, and they are attached in guna and karma. So deluded and fully into guna and karma. They are doing that and they are attached. Tan, such people, akrutsna vidaha, they don't know anything. Krutsna vidaha knows everything. Akrutsna vidaha don't know anything. Mandan, slow people, you know, not intelligent people. Krutsnavit na vichalayet. We should not shake the mind of such people, and we also should not be shaken by such people. Both the things are important. We should not go and shake them because they are ignorant. And at the same time, when they are plenty, we should not thought that, oh, are we doing something wrong? No. Stay calm and stable. एत कर्मी तो लिंपे जो गुण संभ्रमे घेपे प्रकृतीचेनि आटोपे वर्ततु असे एत कर्मी तो लिंपे जो गुण संभ्रमे घेपे प्रकृतीचेनि आटोपे वर्ततु असे एत in this body, in this world, Tochi limpe karmi. That person will be attached in actions. Prakrute ni atope guna samrame ghepe. Vartatu ase. One who is deluded by three qualities of prakrute ni atope because of prakriti. That person will be, affected by those actions. Prakriti and Guna, they will play their role. इंद्रिये गुणाधारे राहटती निज व्यापारे ते परकर्म बलात्कारे आपादीजो इंद्रिय गुणाधारे राहटती निज व्यापारे ते परकर्म बलात्कारे आपादीजो इंद्रिये sense organs gunadhare because of guna. If your Rajoguna is very high, so you will be doing lot of action. Hands and legs will be working very fast. If you are Sattva Guna, then your mind will be excellently working day and night. Indriye Guna Dhare Rahatati Nisa Vyapare. They are engaged themselves in their whatever functional areas. Te Parakarma Balatkare Apadizo. The action, the functions of all sense organ forcefully he will take onto him. Parakarma, others' actions. Balatkare, forcefully. Apadizo, he will take onto him. And he will be affected by actions. Then what should we do? Bhagavan says, Upadesha here, Mai sarvani karmani sanyasyadhyatma chetasa nirashir nirmamo bhutva युध्यस्व विगतज्वरः मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न्यस्याध्यात्मचेतसा निराशीर्निर्ममो भूत्वा युध्यस्व विगतज्वरः मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न्यस्य अध्यात्मचेतसा निराशीः निर्ममः भूत्वा युध्यस्व विगतज्वरः. Beautiful slokas. Mai, in me, adhyatma chetasa, with correct understanding. Sarvani karmani sanyasya. Give up, dedicate all the actions. Nirashihi, don't expect anything. Nirmamaha, become free from minus, become free from attachment. Vigatajwaraha, become free from your this fever. Bhutva Yudhyasva. Become free from this jara fever which you have now. How will I fight? How will I kill? What will happen? Yudhyasva. Fight. Tari uchite karme aghavi. Tuva acharoni maz arpavi. Parichitta vritti nyasavi atma swarupi. What a verse, what a verse. Tari uchite karme aghavi. तुवा आचरोणी मज अर्पावी परिचित्त वृत्ति न्यासावी आत्मरूपी उचिते कर्मे आगवी नियत the appropriate actions. Don't do like stealing and you say, oh, I offer it to Bhagwan. You start killing someone and you offer it. No. Uchite karme nitya naimittik karma. Uchite karme aghavi, all nitya naimittik karma. Tuva acharoni maza samarpavi. You should perform them. And once you perform, then you offer it. Before performing, don't offer it to me. But while doing all the actions, where my mind should be focused on, Bhagavan says, Parichitta vritti nyasavi atmaswarupa. Your mind should be focused on your atmaswarupa, your real nature. Then what I shouldn't do? He karma mi karta का आचरेण या अर्था ऐसा अभिमानु झने चित्तारिगो देसी हे कर्म मी करता का आचरेण या अर्था ऐसा अभिमानु झने चित्तारिगो देसी हे कर्म मी करता दिस एक्शन इज डन बाय मी आई एम द डूअर आचरेण या अर्था एंड आई एम गोइंग टू परफॉर्म इट दिस एक्शन ऐसे अभिमानु झने चित्ता रिगो desi. This kind of ego, pride should not enter in your mind. This you do, Arjuna. I'm folding my hands and I'm telling you. Tva sharir parano havi, kamana जात सांडावी मग अवसरोचित भोगावे भोग सकळ तुवा शरीर परा नो हावी कामना जात सांडावी मग अवसरोचित भोगावे भोग सकळ तुवा शरीर परा नो हावे यू शुड नॉट बी अटॅच टू बॉडी कामना जात सांडावे and you should give up all the problematic desires self-centered desire and then how will I enjoy my life whenever time comes at appropriate time you enjoy the bhoga mag avasarochita bhogave bhoga sakal you enjoy everything I'm not saying you should not enjoy being attached to body being attached to your desire you enjoy everything how this is that is why we need spirituality otherwise why do we need spirituality I have this firm understanding and conviction we can't do all these things like being attached from the body and enjoy the bhoga. That is why we have spirituality. I am not able to free get rid of from all the bad desires, problematic desires. That is why spirituality is there. So should we enjoy everything? You must enjoy everything. Yeah, that I like. That we also like. You enjoy everything when there is an appropriate time. When you get married, you enjoy that life. When you are learning something, you enjoy the study. Avasarochita bhogave. Uchita avasar. What is the right time to do right thing? That's very important. At the age of 45, you get married. Till 70, you earn money. What you are doing means you think about yourself. Ata कोदंड घेवोनी हाती आरुड पाये रथी देई आलिंगन वीर वृत्ती समाधाने आता कोदंड घेवोनी हाती आरुढपा ये रथी देई आलिंगन वीर वृत्ती समाधाने आता now कोदंड घेऊन हाती you take this bow and arrow in your hand arudapa ye rati mount yourself on this chariot dei alingana veera vritti embrace this brave thought of bravery thought of courage samadhane happily you embrace this thought of bravery thought of valor get up mount yourself on the chariot what should I do jagi kirti rudhavi स्वधर्माचा मानू वाढवी यया भारापासून सोडवी मेदिनी हे जगी कीर्ती रूढवी सर्व स्वधर्माचा मानू वाढवी यया भारापासून सोडवी मेदिनी हे जगी कीर्ती रूढवी you should acquire a name and fame in this world How do I do that? Swadharmacha manu vadavi. By doing your swadharma, you you know increase reputation in this society. What else will happen? Jaya bhara pasuna sodavi medini. And you should get rid of all these sinners, Kauravas, and you should make this entire earth free from these sinners. Burden should be removed from this earth. How he is encouraging Arjuna, you see. Chagi kirti, name and fame you gain. You increase the status of Swadharma, Arjuna. Come on, you can do it. आता पार्था निशंकु होई या संग्रामा चित्त देई एथ हे वाचो नि काही बोलो नये आता पार्था निशंकु होई या संग्रामा चित्त देई एथ हे वाचो नि काही बोलो नये आता now means having heard entire conversation now Partha Nishanku Hoy, you should become free from all the dilemmas, doubt. Focus here. Sangrama Chittadei. Yeah, Sangrama Chittadei. Focus here. Full concentration on the battle. Ethe Vachunika. And don't say anything. Don't utter single word other than this fight. Who is coming, who is wielding bow and arrow, and who is going to release arrows now, which like Ghodadad, Paidad, what is coming towards us, who should go where, and what is your strategy, what are your plans, whom you want to target first, whom you would like to get killed by Bhima. Plan everything. एत हे वाचोनी काही बोलो नये, and you should not say anything other than this. This is how Bhagwan is encouraging Arjuna to fight. Now I had planned some different bhajan, but we will sing since it is Ekadashi. So Pandharpur Mahatmya we will sing 564. Beautiful. Hmm. Sorry to take your time. Chalo. होय होय वार करी होय होय वार करी डो पाहे पाहे रे पंढरी पाहे पाहे रे पंढरी काय करावी साधने काय करावी साधने फळ अवघेची येणे फळ अवघेची येणे काय करावी साधने अभिमान अभिमान न उरे अभिमान नूरे कोड अवघेची पुरे कोड अवघेची पुरे काय करावी साधने काय करावी साधने. तुका म्हणे डोळा, तुका म्हणे डोळा, विठोबाई सला सावळा, विठोबाई सला सावळा, विठोबाई सला सावळा. काय करावी साधने, काय करावी साधने, फळ अवघेची येणे, फळ अवघेची येणे, फळ अवघेची येणे. काय करावी साधने, काय करावी साधने. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, 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 ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. तुकाराम 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 तुकाराम. पुंडलिक वरदा हरी विठ्ठल. श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.